kita mo kalamig candle ako.
Oh, okay.
Squat.
But the temple's further, right?
No.
I'm eating your nuts. Kasi ang masarap. Yeah. Lutong bahay. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Pero iba-iba kasi siya. So yung
Don, what's this?
Combination of everything.
What's this?
This. Oh, sorry.
This one.
The beef.
And the papaya, I think.
Yeah, papaya.
Naisip ko na ako. Spicy. Spicy. I will just complain, pero kakain pa rin ako. Arig the veggies. Matigas ulo, di ba? Matay ka ng dirt. I'm eating dessert na. Another one. Another laman loob. I don't understand. Ano yun? Can you dessert? So
Yes.
you're done? Can you finish this one? I cannot.
Which one? Yeah, this is
Whatever the finisher.
What's that?
which one you want to finish?
Kuya Don.
Which one you want to finish?
Kuya Don, what's that you
I'm just
you
gonna
got?
get just to
The same. Yeah,
Laki
nasi
na.
goreng
Kaya doon yan yung?
biasa, common nasi ayam goreng.
Yeah? No. I mean
I am-
that one. That.
This
Yeah.
one. This is chicken.
Liver.
Chicken. But they pound it.
Ah,
and
they
then-
pounded
yeah,
it.
Chicken.
Anghang. Anghang pala.
Anghang.
Sinisipon ako.
So, cooking here really involves a lot of pounding, no?
But,
And grinding.
Which recipe? I think this one is also pounded. Tapos
It's like this, the one. Same. But that one is
Ano sure?
they
Grill.
roast it, grill it. This one now. They, how do you call that? They steam.
Steam.
Hindi ko kaya. Anghang. Pero ang mura ng dragon fruit nila dito.
Mahirap mananapin sa atin, di ba?
Meron pero mahal.
Yeah.
Sa Philippines, mahal.
Dragon fruit.